Hello again, thanks for tuning back into Dark Cribs Creations. If you watched the last video on the pour of the alien baby, I mentioned about the seam, taking the seam off, so I thought I'd just show you how I do that. It's not very difficult. I use these curved scissors. I don't know the name for them, but they seem to be the best. So if I show you what I do, you're best off to pull it a bit, not too much. You don't want a massive groove, but you don't want any tiny little bits sticking up either. So you just put it flat to the silicone, pull it up a little bit, and as you can see, it just starts with a little groove that's easily repairable. You just mix some more silicone and just smooth it over the back. So yeah, it's just patience and that with these. You can easily just get too carried away or too impatient, which I have done, and end up with big gouges everywhere. But just take your time and it'll turn out fine. Right. Not right big seams on the head. Well, it's easy to stretch it out, and you can just clip off the bits that are sticking up. There. So you can see, you'll still see that, but it's nice and smooth, and you just mix another bit of your silicone with the colours and just give it a layer on its back. If you use a fan brush in some thinners, you fan out the sides, and it blends in nicely. So yeah, you just easily seal those grooves up. He needs a bath. I still haven't given him a bath yet, but anything else that you can see, there's little tags in his mouth, in his eyes. You can literally just cut them off. You sort of press your scissors down into it. As you can see, that's come off. Once we do the first layer of painting, a lot of this will disappear. The mouth is going to get opened anyway, so yeah, I don't need to mess about with the mouth. So any little bits that you see sticking up, like I seal the hands as well. So I just literally just snip these off. There. And they'll all get sealed up when I do the first layer. Same with the feet. I do have a seam on the feet as well. There. So just anywhere that you can see there's a little bit sticking up. Just sort of push your scissors down and it takes it off quite easy. Not too deep obviously, otherwise you'll get a big dent. So there's bits under the armpits. There, see, it comes off quite easily. The pour spout, I'll just literally clean that up a little bit. I'm glad the colour actually turned out quite similar. If you watched the pouring of it, I ran out of my mix halfway through and I ended up having to pour some more. So there's another little green alien, all cleaned up, ready for his bath. Okay, thanks for watching again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do it now. Thank you. Bye.